40 important phrasal verbs for daily life. Wake up. Wake up means jagna. I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. Get up. Get up उठना. Get up from bed and start your day. Get up from bed and start your day. Go out. Go out बाहर जाना. Let's go out to play in the park. Let's go out to play in the park. Come in. Come in अंदर आना. Please come in and join the party. Put on पहनना. ठीक है, कपड़े वगैरह पहनना. Put on your jacket. It's cold outside. Take off उतारना. Take off your shoes before entering the house. Pick up. Pick up उठाना. Can you pick up the toys from the floor? Turn on चलाना. ठीक है, लाइट्स वगैरह चलाना, ऑन करना. Turn on the lights. It's getting dark. Turn off बंद करना. Turn off the TV when you are done watching. Look for ढूंढना. I need to look for my missing book. Set up तैयार करना. Let's set up the game board for Monoplay. Let's set up the game board for Monoplay. Clean up साफ करना. It's time to clean up the messy room. It's time to clean up the messy room. Clean up साफ करना. Eat up ख़त्म करना या खाना ख़त्म करना. Eat up your vegetables. They are good for you. Drink up पीना. Drink up your milk. It will make your bones strong and healthy. Brush teeth दांत साफ करना. Don't forget to brush your teeth before bed. Wash hands हाथ धोना. हाथ धोना. Remember to wash your hands before dinner. Go to bed सोना. It's late. It's time to go to bed. Get dressed. Get dressed तैयार होना. Get dressed in your school uniform. Take care of देखभाल करना. Take care of your pet rabbit. Look after देखभाल करना, इयादत करना, ख्याल रखना. I will look after your toys while you are at school. Show up जोश का इजहार करना. I hope my friends will show up at my party. Give up छोड़ देना, तर्क कर देना. Don't give up, you can do it. Break up ख़त्म होना. Sometimes friends can have a little breakup. Make up कमी पूरी करना. Friends can make up. Grow up बढ़ना, फलना फूलना. When I grow up, I want to be a firefighter. Stand up खड़ा होना. Please stand up when the teacher enters the room. Sit down बैठना. Everyone sit down at your chair. Calm down पुरस्कून रहना. Take a deep breath and calm down. Run away भागना. The cat will run away if we get too close. Carry on जारी रखना. Let's carry on with your study. Let's carry on with your study. Look up, देखना. You can look up information on the computer. You can look up information on the computer. Turn around, मुड़ना. Turn around and face the other way. Turn around, मुड़ना. Break down, साइकिल वगैरह की ब्रेक का टूटना. My bicycle broke down on the way to school. Get in, सवार होना. Get in the car, we are going to the zoo. Get out, बाहर आना. Get out of the pool, it's time to leave. Check out, देखना. Let's check out books from the library. Hang up, फ़ोन को कुछ देर के लिए ऊंचा रखना. When you are done talking, hang up the phone.